Hello, this is a tutorial on how you can successfully publish your final project once you are done. Here you can see that I am in github.com. Once you log in, as you can see, I am already logged in. You go either to your dashboard, or if it takes you here, just click and create a new repository. So I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to put the name like final. Or I can even add final project if I want to. If you can input some, description here if you like to, but you can leave it open. It should be public, and check on the add readme file, and you can commit, make sure that it is created. Once it is created, you go into add files, you upload the files from your final project. So you can either drag all of them here, or in my case, I'm going to choose the files. So choose files, and it's located here under my final project. So these are the files I'm going to use. I highlighted all of them, and it's going to take a few seconds to upload all of them. Now, if you have a huge final project, which meaning that the size is bigger, it's going to take maybe a minute to upload all of them. But in my case, as you can see, everything has been uploaded. Once you do that, don't forget to make sure that you save your change or any changes that you make. Save. It's going to take few seconds to process every single one of them, so they are here. Now, how do we go about making sure that we publish it? So the next thing we do, click on settings, you go to pages, and currently the pages that I uploaded, they are all disabled. So I need to turn them on. How to do that is to click on this and turn it to main and save. So it's gonna take a few seconds for the page or all the files, the pages that are put in this particular repository to show up. So in order for me to do that, so I'll wait for a few seconds, and after that, I can go to pages again, click on pages again. Now, once everything is being published, you will notice that the name of your website, the link is going to be here. As of right now, it's not showing up because it's taking time to publish and process every single file that I uploaded. It may take between maybe 2 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of each file in your final project folder. So in this case, I'm going to wait again. And once I wait, I'm going to refresh. It's not still showing up. I'm going to wait. I'm going to refresh again. It's still not showing up. Now it's right here, as you can see. After refreshing, it's showing up here. So in order for me to open this file, I'm going to click on this. It's going to open. Now, by default, because the first file is not indexed per se, when I open it, it's going to give me a blank page. Do not panic. All you need to do is to go back to the main page. You click on codes. And because this is the first page, I'm going to highlight this, or you can know that it is dr underscore index.html. So I'll come back to this page that was open and blank, and I'm going to put the page name here, and it's going to show up. So this is the page that I completed, and in submitting it, you need to submit this link. Make sure the links works. This is the link that you are supposed or you must submit to me. Thank you.